Let's come to oral communication now. Ask the students to role play the dialogue. It's at page 17 and SLO is number 2. Asma. Hello Fatima, how are you? Fatima. I'm fine. How was your day? Asma. Oh, it was an exciting one. Mama was driving the car and we both were talking when she suddenly applied the brakes. Fatima. Why did she do so? Asma. She didn't notice that a small kitten just came in front of her car. Fatima. Oh my Allah. The poor creature must have been crushed under the wheel. Asma. Luckily, Mama applied the brakes just in time and it was saved. Fatima. Thank Allah. I felt terrified though. Asma. We both were helpless for a while. Fatima. You must have been relieved after finding it safe. Asma. Yes, indeed.